My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen Polo R-Line. This vehicle has done just under 50,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our touchscreen, using the buttons on the left, we can access our radio, media, and smartphone integration. On the right we have Apple and Android CarPlay and MirrorLink, sound, vehicle status, and menu. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.